So hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will unbox the McLaren Formula 1 car from Hot Wheels Premium Formula 1 collection with the driver number 81, which is Oscar Piastri, who is currently leading this year's Formula 1 World Drivers' Championship. This is Oscar Piastri's 2024 McLaren car. So let's first unbox this and we'll get the review next. So first we have to get this car out of this plate, and it is screwed here, so you need a screwdriver for that. So finally here we have it, the car, and this looks very good in this matte black finish with the McLaren orange livery. So starting off with the details, the front wing is very well detailed with the McLaren and MasterCard logo, as well as a little chrome logo and a little McLaren logo, as well as these sponsors on the nose and the 81 driver number, which is Oscar Piastri. The helmet actually is very well detailed for Oscar Piastri in this blue color, which looks very nice. The halo has the MasterCard branding, as well as we get the main sponsor for this, which is OKX, as well as chrome. And on the back we also get 81 again, Dell Technologies, and rest of the other sponsors. The wing is also very well detailed, and at the back of the wing it says McLaren, and the wheels are Real Rider Pirelli P0 hard compound wheels with the chrome colors on the rim. It looks very nice. So overall this casting is very well done by Hot Wheels. And on the back of the car we get a metal base, except for the flooring here, which is plastic, and the entire casting is metal, by the way, a little bit of plastic here and there. So this was the McLaren F1 car with the number 81, which is Oscar Piastri. He is currently leading the Formula 1 World Championship this year. We'll see if he clinches the title or not. If you like this casting, let me know in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos.